Let's fix it. Open up Roblox and check the ping. Click Shift plus F5. You can get the ping status. Under 50 ms is excellent. So for me is 57. It's still good. So let's see how to fix it. So for this, you can type CMD and right click it and click Run as Administrative and type the following text: ipconfig space slash flash DNS. Click enter. The next ipconfig space slash release. Click enter. The third command ipconfig space slash release. And the fourth command netsh rinsock reset. Click enter. And the fifth command is the important one: netsh space int space IP space reset. Click enter and at last exit it. The next step, search for control panel. Click it and click network and internet and network and internet center. Click adapter, and if you are using Wi-Fi, you can go with Wi-Fi. If you are using Ethernet, you can go with Ethernet. I am using Wi-Fi. So right click and disable it and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, again enable it. After enabling, you can check it. If they still have same issues, then you need to go to the last and final step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset the network. It will reinstall all the network adapters. Thank you.